Okay, FM 101.7.
Sami Jemfi, communications officer. Edima NDC Amanyuko. Sami me watching.
Yeah, Kwame Major so.
Nabako die.
You were locked down. You funny sir.
Aye. Ananu me wo fa say John ne chirechire me mu pa yi. Wo se se wo fie. Ni yesi menko ba bia na sika wo ho a. Eno ye isolation. na afei se wo ho na wonni sika lesi cheze se wo kura no ho chire wo ni ade a eno nso no eye eno ya quarantine eno ye cheze wa quarantine ho e was casting ena wuti we wonni sika ena wo so wo yire so ha adwene and what it was no dey we lockdown na ma memrai and no pay na me kan asem se ya posifo ne sojafo a ye si wo mmebo ban hwe se mra be yadwuma e wo various areas partial lockdown aba no ya kan kire wo mo so wo mmebo ye na obi to mra cheno fanko police station se uba ba mana kwankyere bia mana kode a mana kwankyere man ko na emom ntimi mana kwankyere a emfamfia commander emfamfia nhye nipa nsam se wonfa nkobo ana soja ni uchi obi a wo se ma so oden adanko ma so oden enti me kan se eno me hu video bi a soja ni bi wo akwane ya adanko ma so oden no obu no a nti bo no so to no twade ni bi no so mikam ama nkrofo ekura ka se kwana anya de enam say nipa no yes you are to maintain law and order enti se biribi saa ofumra fanko obu na yedey na saa sem ya nso em say we share with me in that regard yes o de kata ababontin mintiu
Kwame dedi kan ma menchia yetiefo nyina menchia wapamfo na mini kan kranka se mra ya ye won kan ne mpatamu asantimentem ene kaso mpatamu a lockdown ti wufi yemfa samri enme oman ho yeba mompaye ma yempenyufuo na nyame ma wo nyansa ode ma o hini Solomon bi na etimi aboa momatu anamompa ayen hwehwe pa ama yare bonia ye friend coronavirus edi wiase nyinanya no yetimi apa no pumasibre ewo ye mamu ha enne wiase afane nyina ye to so bienu Kwame abasobode ena mede be mawo de yemu bi de na ye hwehwe no eno na ya no ansimpo a mumu bi masatia moye na mutu ho na mo no onse omeye be yi a nejina menu mienu eso ejina yenyina yeso obia wona chefa yaje atum se asoman ye de mra ene be ye adwuma nti yese ye omaya yaje rule of law idi not rule of violence but rule of law and yese ye de kabima min kabi ene be ye adwuma so we are a constitutional democracy ye de mra ene kabima min kabi edi dwuma be 28 years and over tifa kwa yadri yenyini se bi se ye nipa mpo ne yawo ye beto wa yenyini 28 years anya deketwa enti enyeme bi asebi na ye esisi soja mamuo mu ana abagini mre no sebi o enne enisi ye ma ho kwan bi emanisi se sanyema ni bi starte na yanka ho asem anka sentia amma wono awo ye no wenyaye a ebe ha ye ka bi ma min kebi na edit susan so bonni ne bebre ye nyina so for mo na mo ye the fourth estate of the realm enti se ekoba na sa de bi nkoyie na who do na you kumwa ayana. But when the media or media no power because media no platform. When the media begin to speak to say the Kwame ba no pay wakase ya. Na ma ubia no ejina ye. The oye bibia enya no kra no hwe na beti say hey media for you hwe mi o man hwe ye a omo bepa me hon to ma mo bia hu de meye. And that is why this morning me bo aba so I salute you for your courage. Enye dipe nyina na etimi nya akukudru wo mre bi mu say etimi kanokre. Ekre those in power or those who have the responsibility to protect us. Now, your courage and the forthrightness are what the air demand of pay. If you say was only a normal Kenyan issue, now you know because Kwame the Ekosono airtime, the Ekosono assassin, the Ekosono areho. Now, any guase Emma, the much respected Ghana Police Service, the much respected, military commander, my Ghana. And they said, even Ghana as a minor, and you was a man. And then social media, we are saying, back on. And you see what will be. If you imagine the nations of the world watching these videos of brutalities of harmless civilians by our security forces. Then I drink about Ghana. Maybe we are not living in a jungle. We are living in a constitutional democracy governed by the rule of law. I have said na bentia. So, ena impenyufo say, se na be ya omobe sunya boy nyina ye ho ban. Na yare no entre na hayenti no. Ya ye wa santimentem kumase kaswa ni nipatemu. Yen shed them for na watchim you know. I have said na bentia. We are not in normal time. So, na yenim se nya nipa ni nyina na bedi su ntino. Umampenyi ya mra ojina mra no so na ma lockdown order no nti wo se a police fo ene a soldier fo monko bobai monko hwese de nhihye ya so obi a nhye dem no obi a be den ebedi so nti adwuma a police fo ne a soldier fo ye no omo ya ma oman no omo som oman no na to say the okay they are supposed to enforce law and order nti omo adwuma na omo ye no so no e wo so di mra no so who so be a lockdown. So there was a way and Mrana was a man year to Utimichino, Utimi the Nico police station. And now Timichino, Chief Justice are dedicated 28 courts. The for Bebu lockdown in us, intimidate court, and my court need your master. So would you for court the Umber Famra Council? So would it be my court be tired? Who so near yet the yen in Ayesika Atataria shell near Maui tune. Only to me say, O Faba. Then never be any agree. Any war time. Civil war see Ghana. Cool see Ghana no. Ultimate fa. A people come for mammy for Kwame. The video ya okan was an import and I brand you. But could be a me mammy penny more. Say, obey me a woman. Mammy penny mupa. Now also say a bono. Mission a many not at the shoe. Ye boom ma, ye boom koda. Ye boom pennyfo masa ade ye nua no masoja foi omo ye nipa te say ya omo ye Ghana for te say ya ohu omo de ye yi omo sinten a ye wo obuo ni die mo a ye tie omo ti so omo mo ye ho bai but they don't have to use that power against us wo maduma ye mu no they have to respect the fundamental human rights of the people and they have to adopt humane approach because people want you no mo ye no. Oh, na say ye bunipa we nya danko ma so den na ye yese no emwa egu o man di mu ase za ya kayaka de ne hurikasa mu aye didi yankasa ye hu nipa no emwa so sebi o maami bi unua bi soja foro mo so wonua no mo maami no eti se o maami bi na ukoli soja bi kwa che no ba bi bonus a ekere ye ode o baby ana ukoli soja ni ana police ni kwa che bonus a kebe ye ode kenya ode. It is obvious for Mrana Krana, Sene Quaya on Faso, another at West, no, Fanefam Quanso. And yes, making sure that what Pamono, say Obeco, Obeco said then. But in this Yamaho coin, now so therefore, any police for them Rasha on that. Now, tis a year buni passa. And Kwame, make an say so no. Mami ntire mu say enya soja fo ni nyina na yesa. Eye binom. Omo because ma hu video bi a soja ni ba akọ. Okọ trotro mu na nipa no ayemu ma o ma keka omo ho abomu ho. Onya kwan eyo ni nim se kwa do wo video na.
Ani me hu.
Or educate you masa for your own good. Lockdown no. Enye se bi yen said them emma wo bia. Ye said them a emma soja fo ye kese. Emma soja fo nye sika na bibia. Eye yankasa ye yo yankasa ya pomuden yankasa yan kwantia. Because baby you do no ehu eye life and death. It is a what said them you are safe. But who pay now you are putting your own life and the life of the people around you. You are putting all of them at risk. I mean, who the way I saw you need to educate you because yes, indeed, some of our men in uniform, they have a conscience, they have a sense of humanity, and they are professionals. They have lost their conscience, they have lost their humanity because the movie said this is a time for them to exert control. Now, India, the dear do know what a kind of crazy say. The Ayame Yapa, what the Akosu no say. Tanyama way in a coso. Uberano. Now, so that won't pay you for. I could meet the press or money minister for information. Uberano, no more PR press release. Almost said, yeah, more canning in our mobile. So you need any wabu be. Now, old videos need be crowd and fagana. Sir, you know now if free a security agency to Obama. Oh, and you know, a young contumpuno or munya higher because they are insulting our intelligence. A young papa say videos need you a fake videos. And your gun and not answer this year. A young papa. A young papa so say videos need you a doctor. A young cressa. But a young papa so say videos ni bebre wa eye ampa eye no kre eye nanse nam yenu mi say ye twem ya and that videos ni na e ba bonte eye real cases of brutalities against citizens e be UTV for report e be Joy News for report ma who media for ma report bebre ya enye fake videos. These are authentic verifiable incidences SC in the last 3-4 days and they know it. And see, we source intelligence or that we get impression this because 1 or 2 videos in circulation are fake. All the videos are fake. All the videos are not fake. Most of them are correct. And see, so some are fake, some are correct. They are correct and they are mujimu. I saw you for my son. They are the mother from so near Chomaso. Because I know sir. Na emma ye mu bia nya ade bi say the ekoso no penyufo ya we penyufo na ayesa because kwame yen ka no kwenche ho ye dey ta sotafo discipline for animal omo take orders from above so the ni bia ni wa ye say onko duty na yen ka say on fan fia wa obenya kukudu afan fia ba we mo buko duty obi akita mfia fia no wa na
aha, that is the question anopa mi bisa say Commander Bay ena wo de wo mu kɔ no wo ma ho sa emfian na no so wo mu fa nkɔ yɛ
exactly emfian we kita mu de yɛ den amu kita AK47 ku entoko esi Ghana ebi kita AK47 video na kwa ka ho asɛm no kasa wo si obi aye ka na say obi abiriti lockdown
oh ayi mame ma ba kokora
ni pay enya dan ko ma so de na nya dan so de na wa kasa wo san so de aba wo so de yo no di twitwa nipa ni tim ni nanimu nyina na wo ye nipa sa ni nipa na wo se bi mo ka so the boy ni ye no e irresponsible yes wo be timi aka say irresponsible because wo hye wo de obi amo in that wo ni ho nti wo be ka say irresponsible. But the person that you boy, you know, natural instinct. So sometimes it's unpredictable. Now we are about a gem will be sitting in the Nimua. On to the thing. Not to an answer. So the near is up for my AK-47 in the car.
Mamma example,
MPP social media communication. They say Obama more any MPP, no more Facebook, no more justify. And what say fear, Yababo? What say them one Yababo? I mean, I don't know.
Ayi na Sammy.
I mean, when we acquire Bunwa, what better justify?
Sammy.
What better justify? Why wouldn't be?
Brother me.
Or more,
Brother me.
Yeah, Kwame.
Menam baby San Diego. Enna say area hono. Nipa nantemfa ho apart from car. Ba mi minim abrochi memu na menam ho. Ti menam ho na mehu se police for mienu agina wo mo car no wo mo ba me so. Tom gya no mbusam se ada na menam ha. No so oh me ko the other end ho. Aha. No se na man hwese. Yes ye nante ho no so oh de me hwe. Eno se okay wo ko ayi sa facility ene ye tena car no. Ti wa no ko see me no se ho no yemfa ho between that lane and that lane no yemfa ho enam ko e wo ma amome.
No. And that is what must happen in any civilized society. Kwame, I'm making this point, which is very, very important. Yeah, well, a bit more here in discipline. Because my imagine say, Omu ni share. You are with Pia Bonton, some of the Kakota, and I draw to be about some cropono. Omo ya chibi near the Omo family transfer. Yin I had support. Because said you need to be no boom that's until Yayambra and not until a court to the so but you will be no so have more buson and you're more fault a communication now or man penny the babon no na ebi mu na ho eno na manaba na sa na se mpanyufo be tie ne yie pa omo making sure say inchiremu foforo be ba na communication ni mu ada ho. Let me give you some example. Man penisi aye lockdown was Ashanti region, Greater Accra and Kaswa. But Okasa no, or say ebinu mu ha omo kan lockdown no mo betime pie, e no ye fe no exemption. Exemption number 1 ye de o so omo ton aduane. Kwa me nya za no kan.
Ani pacho ai.
O so omo ton aduane. Enti ni bisa me ho say. So man penika omo ton aduane a. E ye wine pot say na worker.
Too broad. Samie. Say affect choba afo nyina. Affect obi a omoto aduane wo kwa ho nyina. Say ukuta sika. Ama ade na say etu afra.
But is quite one problem no. Omo moto aduane no. Na ye say because we omo a ye ma me mo omo ko omo dwuru ni videos ni bebre a. E ye omo moto aduane ho nyema food stuffs. Obi wo say me koton akatoa, me koton jeni. Me koton emo because mo si ebetumi apie sister baako o say me ko bie me shop because aduane na me ton ne ha mo si ya eto aduane ebetumi akọ na chese communication ni mu ana ho so wo ka so mo ton aduane ebetumi apie a number 1 e yo mo no aduane ton ana mo ton aduane ho nyema be na wo ka na say yo mo no aduane ton na enye mo ton aduane ho nyema a mo no aduane ho ton we de odisi kwan ho yo so na pampam and your restaurant, and your town hotel. Which of these categories of food sellers are you talking about? They are coming, sir. Why would you be an Ibia? Meton pan or meton biane. Meton emo ayan no aya meton biane. Semeton bura meton biane. Sana will be fano. So, Sempo ya no biane, meton media or my pumper one. Metan is sent to biane. The plantain says, I met one, metan is sent to biane. So, in times like this, you know. And the law students will tell you, yeah, what your criminal law will tell you, say, when you are complicating laws and what punishment are, the law must be clearly defined and the punishment clearly stated. And not vague laws to say, more to be exempted. I've a very now saying I could do upon press conference. So what about clarification? Clarification is you'll be on the best. And you'll be also watch it. And you are not confronting the water so you're for police for the Munya Botre. Kwame Zautima say, because of you are. What did the Tikaka, what is in the moment, walk of fine, my officer, a biane 4 years entered, or could you map so yet then I near Bono. That's also not dream of 4 years entered. You are not exempted to see another opportunity.
Hey, Mammy, Safa, hey, Sabi, Mamma,
I'm Robert Cry, a Chinua. What do you say, Bono? And I will kuno, and I would them wrestle with them. So what I'm robber, and I would show you a wokum if I know Kuna. Was Mrano, you bet you would walk up to a piatin. So I saw one in sir. I can give you so many examples. Look, for example, yes, essential services, exempted. Essential services, they say. If you news you, why me and Ameboa?
Uh-huh.
Hello?
About one Michio Pamina.
Ebi ni nsuo. Nsuo is ebi ni nsuo. Na wo say wo te Reggie Manuel cantonment Labonia de mi ke bia wo ntiase. Obi ti odododio, obi ti Mamprobi, obi ti Nima. There na what you need. Nsuo e di nsuo bi fa ne pipe. Enjo no say dem we nya nsuo anomo a obewu. Enti ni fie compound house o te dia ni 50 next wo. Edan ba ko mu oda no e bi one ne manson ene da one room. Ebi da form, ebi da so ene de keka ho. Ensuo di wo ne mambe no.
Sami no no kra no, wono kwa at per the standard of living won't mean yes social distancing.
O ti bi nye social distancing ni bi na social distancing ko Chinese and Arabic e wona so. Oni ba de kro on ti ase. Ni social distancing. For obi ono ne ma enum. Maame ba kwa mehwe no so ono ne ma papa wu nti ne ma nyina no se bi omu ni papa ono mo kwa na se ku kra tia ono oni ma dia friend social distancing o ka social distancing no kra na maza o ka Chinese bi na so on ti ase but in most of these areas now ohia wo sa ensuo ho aye den wo ho ebi kwa wo ho a agana bia ni ho aje se wakọ public toilet say ye shia wa bonten na wo say ko public toilet kra ye say wo boa na ye bo ye shia wa bonten na say mi ko to nsuo kra ye say wo boa na ye bo. I mean there must be a certain human touch to the implementation of the lockdown. And yes sir, nipa ye be ku mo through the crude implementation or enforcement of the lockdown. E be those watching nipa kra coronavirus ku mo. So yes say soldier for the omo ye ni hian ye your more you know one fast walk, yet the more second say they are even risking their lives. They be need face mask, they be need PPE, but they are doing all these things for us. But the one kind of the people do what you man no more no, and the man no more no so mra at the home. They are not above the law. In the money mraso, no one respected the fundamental human rights of the people. So before more, for the family council, only who quite what they are babu be. Ghana ye ni Afghanistan ye ni civil war mo. Ya my money say ye nyam kwa. Ejo munya isa de na omo ye because omo di gu omo ankasa omo wani mu ase omo di gu soldier fo ni mu ase omo di atare na eche omo no eni wonyam omo di gu atare na ni mu ase na omo di gu on my Ghana's wani mu ase. And so everybody, whether you are in the media, religious bodies nananoma trakonya, whether MPP, whether CPP, ye nyina let us speak against the excesses. Yenka so omo nyina na yesa ye say the excesses. Ni yeka ya eto le bia we na politics nti na MPP fo bi ti social media ni e disamejency attempt na asamejency di okay nyina ye politics nti ya ye okay nyina ye politics nti ya wo hye wo dem do bi abo wo pabra bonten be jeje wa no kwa me yeka wo DC bi a ye se o wa Asante region wo hu di ato no
na woni mame ma ade ba akokura no DC no kura no one we head of DISEC enti se won kura wo beto se posifo ni ye biribi a enya at least in wusi na ne commander na ho no adwendwene ho sabi wo kodi di wo matam sa de yi me yin say
you can you see in aka ho bi because they said they were right. The DC is the head of ISEC. Obu even police commander na police commander or the district ya say the your mampenyi representatives at the DC. So and yes, DC you know Okona police for ye bibi na nya. The right thing to do is to look for the leader that team, your commander na penyi mu owom. Then you talk to the person. DC you know to claim say he wanted to talk to them and omobo na so. I mean, ye nya video amaye the full picture. But the point is that even if a DC our VH kakakrakam can be beaten, ya bobo na no so prepare na by a police for and there was here who said nobody is secure. If we don't check it do baby na your friend impunity. Nobody will be safe.
Samye but yes I read about
it was a buying sorry who come out for and your man penny and a castle bomb and your man penny and a police army commander in I no credit. You be a castle man penny na say soldier for Kobu. Obi an castle man penny na say nobody is saying that, but the can say sebi ye nyina ye se nipa ba kwa say e your man penny. Lockdown ya ye womi e yo man penyin de beka e so je ni bia ni wo kwan so bi yakase Ghana for monko lockdown it is only the president who has the power. So if a soldier for police for law enforcement agencies so mu nyina show man penyin ase a omo enforce lockdown e binom e breach emra visit mayhem violence on the people obia betumi aka de opebia Kwame Nkrumah tikese beka na adwen some agency beka na adwen even a soldier for mpanyufo kwa betumi aka o madwen but you what the final say you what ultimate responsibility is the president of the republic and anything the friend of the commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces it yes friend you need to do see what be at least and also any security agencies in Nkasa say this should be a humanitarian operation. So this should not be an operation to say the wartime because said if you don't know Hokrana and you're more pen or moody bush to say the matrix, a yama be na man abasa, that is not to say that we are tolerating indiscipline. Or more, or the other wapaye, na pure Beko 20, or not the obey indiscipline, yet channel near the Aban Kabagun in fact. The police station court. We will all support that. That is a country we all want for ourselves. A country where laws work, a country where nobody is above the law, but not a country where soldiers and policemen can take the law into their own hands because they think there will be a breach of lockdown.
Mini amedasi no paper.
Mini ameso medasi unyamisha.
Usha. Sabi je vini na chwenko no K101.7 so any
Okay FM 101.7.